We are live now.
What's up, guys? Oh, look, Fabian actually is here with video. Assuming he can actually hear us. All right, what's up? So we're here for another sprint. Um, just finished a 2-weeker. I'm kind of going based on what Hannah had for the last sprint. Kind of created a new work in progress sprint that I put in the chat. Essentially, I took everything from the last sprint that doesn't look to be completed, at least from what I found, and threw it into the new one. And I figured we could kind of just go through everybody what they're working on, and then add or delete whatever we need to from the work in progress sprint. Um, so yeah, we had a ton of PRs actually merged, but as far as like actual sprint, it seems like um, there wasn't a whole lot done in that, which is fine. But we had like another 25 PRs merged this week, so I think that was 50 for this sprint. Like that's pretty insane. Um, but yeah, Kevin, did you want to start? Because like you're kind of at the just top of the issue. Did you want to start and go through kind of the editor and CodeMirror card stuff and kind of just give an update on that?
Yep, I can do. It's going to be pretty short, unfortunately. Uh, yeah, so since the last dev catch up, I've been doing a ton more internal stuff and merging a lot of things, and also moved house. So there hasn't been a huge uh, amount of progress on what's in the sprint items. The uploader replacement is almost done. Been working on that today. That should be sorted out early in this sprint, I think, and then for the rest of the sprint, I'll be continuing with what's in the issue. So
Cool.
lots of uploader and editor stuff still.
So should I just leave kind of those 5 things at the top for
Yeah,
you for the new one?
yeah, that's good.
All right, cool. Um, I looked into Hannah's stuff. It seems like she's about halfway done with both of the hashtag issues, so I'm sure she's gonna continue working on that. But I think she's gone for the next week and then going again on vacation, so I'm not sure how much she's gonna get done. Um, so I may end up removing those. I don't know. That's kind of up to you guys. Should I leave the hashtags in the sprint or should I move
Um,
those?
yeah, if you leave them in the sprint, I might be able to look at the client side part of that. So
All
I
right,
think
cool.
the other side we're mostly done.
All right. Did you have any updates, Sebastian?
Right now, I'm trying to make this event public. No,
Oh.
in general, I haven't been working on Ghost. I'm still following the developments. One thing that I wanted to bring up in the meeting is we have a random test failure in our Ember tests that doesn't seem to be that random. It's one failure that comes up almost every build. I
Okay.
wanted to ask Kevin if you might have an idea what it could be. I think also your last pull request is red now because of this one error.
Um, okay. Yeah, I'll have a look at that.
Yeah.
I think it was possibly introduced in one of the recent pull requests. Yeah,
Yeah, it came up about 5, 7 days ago, something like that.
yeah, I think it was towards the end of last week.
Yeah. I will post the link in Slack.
Cool.
All right, cool. Eileen, I know you've been working on time zone, and I believe you also, John said you finished the translation part, so good job with that. That seems to be going really well so far.
Yeah.
How's time zone doing?
Yeah, time zone is, well, I have two work in progresses for that. It's on the one side, it's the API endpoint. I think on the back end, we're done with that, probably. And now I'm trying to figure out how to, well, just little Ember things I have to get my head in and doing little beginner issues and mistakes. Yeah, but I'm yeah, getting my way through. I'm not done yet, but I think I'm quite close, and for the next sprint, probably it will be done. Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, yesterday, for example, the whole day was just a huge mess with Transifex, and I don't know, I got like 100 emails everyone got 100 emails, but I'm like supporting the guys on there now. Everyone has a question, in which context is this translation, and it's insane. Like the Spanish translation is almost done, the French translation is almost done. It's incredible.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah. So,
yeah. Late in the day, I went to look and was just like, what?
Yeah. It's just every time you check the dashboard, like every half an hour, you see there's a progress. And I see the people are opening issues and asking questions, and I'm always in between Transifex dashboard supporting and answering questions and getting my head on Ember.
Yeah. That's really cool. Yeah, that seems to have been a big hit so far. It seems like a bunch of people are willing to help and willing to get it into their language, which is really cool.
Yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward.
Is that going to be able to port over into the Ghost software too? Or is this just for Ghost.org?
This is just for Ghost.org, but yeah, it's
cool.
Yeah, I think for Ghost we have to do maybe a different way. I don't know if we can do it the same way, because Ghost.org is not updated that much usually. So that's why we are using the client in Transifex. So it's just I can pull and push the translations, and that's it. And everything is done in the dashboard. But for Ghost, I think we have to figure out a different way, a good workflow, which is like good for the future as well.
Cool. Yeah, I kind of figured that because I was having people translate strings, but just thought I'd ask because I was curious.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, thanks. Is there anything else that you want on the sprint issue, or is that kind of what you're focusing on? The time zone issue. Sorry.
Status quo like this. I mean, I need some assistance later on to test and check my code if it's if you could do it actually more efficient or better. But yeah, right now, next step would be to get Ember to know the API, and then read instead from the hard-coded time zones, which I have now in the controller, to read from the API.
Cool. Cool. Thanks. What's up, David? So we've been through the three. David, did you want to give any updates? No? Okay, perfect. All right, cool. I believe the only other updates would be from Austin, but he said he was going to be late. I'm not sure when he's going to arrive. Is there anything else you guys want to discuss and see if he shows up, or anything else you wanted to add or subtract from the work in progress sprint?
I think it covers everything from my side.
Okay.
Yeah, same with me.
All right, cool. Yeah, we need to do something to keep Hannah away from her talking right now.
Where is she?
Hannah says she's still working on a bit of stuff this week. Okay, well, if there's anything else you guys want to talk about, we can. If not, I think that we can probably call it if you guys are good, and then just have Austin give a text update later if he wants.
Yep, sounds good to me.
Sounds good to me. I'm still trying to get to change the permissions for the video to be public and not private. I hope that this will work.
Yeah, well, once it's actually on YouTube, it should be able to just flip. I don't know about actually joining a Hangout, though.
Ah, okay. Yeah, that's possible.
Yeah, cool.
That's
All right, cool, guys.
okay.
Well, thanks for showing up. Have a good week without Hannah there, even though it sounds like she's still here.
She's everywhere.
I know.
And she's watching the stream.
Yeah.
For sure she is. All right.
All right, cool, guys. I'll see you guys.
Thanks. Bye.
Yeah, bye.